Welcome to the Igniting Curiosity in Life Science. Today we'll discuss one more very important component, that is the photosynthesis. Okay. How do the plants turn sunlight into food? And welcome to the process of the photosynthesis. How do the plants even turn sunlight into the food material? So, let's see all the contents in this. Okay. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae and some bacteria use sunlight to make their own food material. They take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil, and with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll they create glucose, okay, a simple sugar, and releases oxygen as a byproduct, right? Then what is the main thing here? This is what the reaction which occurs during the photosynthesis, how the oxygen is going to be liberated. Okay, carbon dioxide plus water molecule along with the sunlight, it forms water, glucose as well as the oxygen. So what is the main role of chloroplast here in this photosynthesis? So inside each plant cell there are tiny green structures, okay, called the chloroplasts. So we also studied in the previous classes what are chloroplasts, what are thylakoids in that, what are the main structures are there, and what are the main functions of those, like that, isn't it? So these are all the real solar panels of the plant, packed with the green pigments called the chlorophyll, that captures water, the sunlight, and starts the photosynthesis reaction. So we know that mainly two stages occurs during the photosynthesis, that is the light reaction and the Calvin cycle or the dark reaction. So as we know that light reaction, the term itself indicates what? The light dependent reaction. So location where it is mainly occur in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast. So what are the main requirements for this light reaction? Sunlight and the water molecule. Okay. Then what are the main events occurs in this? So chlorophyll, which absorbs light energy, and water molecules splits, that is the process of the photosynthesis occurs to release oxygen, proton and the electrons. Okay. Then energy from light is used to form a ATP and NADPH, which stores water, the energy for the next stage. That is, what are the main means the products obtained after this light reaction? ATP, NADPH and oxygen molecule. Okay. Then coming to the dark reaction. So it is also called as what? The light independent reaction or Calvin cycle. So where exactly it is occurred? In the stroma of the chloroplast. Okay. So what are the main requirements of this? ATP and NADPH, which are mainly produced during the light reaction. Okay. And even the carbon dioxide. And what are the main events occurs in this? So carbon dioxide is fixed into organic molecules through a series of enzyme controlled steps. Okay. ATP and NADPH, it provides energy and reducing power to form a sugar, that is what? The glucose. Okay. And what are the main byproducts obtained after this? Glucose, ADP and NADPH, okay, which return to light reaction again. So this is how the light and the dark reactions are going simultaneously, okay, one after the other. And what are the main byproducts obtained after this? They will again utilized by the reaction, like that. So why photosynthesis is important? So why it is important? Photosynthesis does not just feed plants, okay, it feeds the entire planet, right? So it is the main foundation of every food chain, which provides oxygen for animals and even the humans, and even helps control Earth's climatic condition by absorbing carbon dioxide, right? Photosynthesis is a vital process for life on Earth because it provides the foundation of the food chain and maintains the balance of gases in the atmosphere. So what are the main functions of the photosynthesis? As we know that it will produce the food material. Okay, it enables plants to produce glucose, that is what? The food, using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. This food serves as the primary energy source for all the living organisms on the earth. Then oxygen release. So photosynthesis releases what the oxygen as a byproduct, okay, which is mainly essential for the respiration of most of the living organisms or living beings on the earth. Then carbon dioxide utilization. So it helps remove what the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, it reducing what the greenhouse gases and maintaining climatic balance. Then energy flow. It converts what the solar energy into chemical energy which flows through all the living organisms in the ecosystem. And then it also supports the life. So nearly all life depends directly or indirectly on photosynthesis of plants for energy and oxygen, right? So in briefly we can say that photosynthesis is essential because it sustains life on earth by providing food, oxygen and energy while maintaining the planet's environmental balance, right? So this is what all about the photosynthesis process. If you found enjoyed learning how plants make life possible, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Igniting Curiosity in Life Science. This is Savita. So see you in the next video. Thank you.